Hi, I'm Chimney Chuck from Clean Sweep and Arundel Chimney, and today I wanted to talk to you about wood stoves. There's freestanding wood stoves that kind of stand alone on either a pedestal or four legs, and then there are wood stove inserts that slide into an existing masonry fireplace. We install and sell both of those, and they can be found on our website, cleansweepaa.com, if you'd like to look at our catalog. The thing that most people buy wood stoves for is they want to have something that's more efficient and puts more heat into their home. And that's a really good way to go. Unfortunately, open fireplaces, as pretty as they are just decorative. And about 80% of the heat goes up the chimney, so they're only about 20% efficient. So if you're looking for something to put more heat into your home and have more efficiency, cut down on your energy cost, maybe a wood stove is for you. So a wood stove, putting heat into your home, cuts down on your electric bills, your gas, and your oil fuel bills, and it might be something to consider. A real good time to think about that would be in the spring and early summer. That way we have plenty of time to come out, we inspect your chimney, make sure that it is suitable to install a wood stove, and we can pick one out and have it installed for you before the heating season when everything gets really, really busy. If it's something we can help you with, please go to our website and contact us. I'm always happy to talk to anyone. You can call us. Our phone numbers on there are 410-590-4800. Our website is cleansweepaa.com. I'm Chimney Chuck. We make chimneys healthy. Thank you.